Hey y'all, and welcome to a hair video. I was just getting out the shower there. I just took my hair out of the microfiber towel. This actually dries my hair very quickly. Like, my hair was like dripping wet in the shower, and then I put that on and take it off, and my hair is like almost dry. But anyways, I got this new product. It's from It's a 10. It's the Miracle Leave-In product. I'm just now trying it that day, so I only used it once. So far so good. I can't really give an honest review yet. I feel like I gotta use it like maybe 3 more times or 2 more times or something to give an honest review, but so far so good. I shampoo, condition, and then I put that leave-in product. So now I'm about to blow dry my hair. And I have very thick hair, so I have to work in sections or else my hair just will be looking crazy still. So I basically put my right side up in a bun, and then this is my left side here. I always blow dry from left to right. I don't really know why, but yeah, that's just what I do. So I'm just sectioning that section in 2 more sections. So I am doing a front section and then a back section. And that front section I'm about to put up, and then I am about to start on the back of my hair blow drying. Alright, so now I am putting that back section into half sections. I'm not sure if I just mentioned that, but yeah, I put that back section into 2 sections because, like I said, I got a lot of hair, so I have to work in sections. And I'm putting that leave-in product in because my hair works better when I put the product in sections because I have a lot of hair. So yeah, I'm just putting that product in, maybe like 2 squirts, I believe, and then I'm combing out that section just so the product can get distributed evenly. Then this is my blow dryer. It is a blow dryer by Kiss. I'm not really sure which one it is. I'm not even sure why I showed it. It's just a regular blow dryer with a comb attachment. I feel the comb attachment helped me blow dry my hair a little better, I would say, but it could be any blow dryer. But if you don't have the comb attachment, that's fine too. Just blow dry your hair with a comb or like a brush, because before I was just using a brush to blow dry my hair and it worked perfectly fine. So now I'm in the front of my hair. I am just doing that section, and I sped this up because we all know how to blow dry hair, I would think. So I'm just blow drying this part here until it is dry. So that's the left section done. Right here, I only have 1 more section, thank God, because I hate blow drying my hair. It's like the worst part. When I think about washing my hair and then I think about blow drying, it makes me want to reschedule because I hate blow drying. It gets so hot in the bathroom and it's just too much. Like, my arms be hurting, my back be hurting, but thank God I'm at the last section right here. So I'm back. Now I am taking off that comb attachment and I am just blow drying my hair with a comb. If you don't have a comb attachment, you can just do this. Because that's how I was blow drying my hair before I had a comb attachment blow dryer. Now I'm just going in with my brush because I used to do this too. And I just showed you that I was turning my blow dryer now to cool, because I heard that changing your blow dryer to cool just help with frizziness, and it's also supposed to create shine to your hair. and yeah, just make it look a little bit nicer. So that's what I'm doing right here. Now I am all done, finally. And this is my hair freshly blow dried. I look crazy, so please excuse that, but I was just getting out the shower. Okay, so this little thing have saved my life. It has like, I think 6 settings. I usually put it on the second from highest, not the highest. But I usually just go through it real quick in my hair real quick anyway. It's called Tymo. This, like I said, saved my life. I'll get into that a little bit later, but these are the dials. Oh, I'm showing you all that I'm watching a vlog. I don't really know why I put this in here. And then there's me. Hello. Anyway, so I am putting my hair into halves, a right side and a left side, and I'm going to use that little Tymo thing. And like I said, it saved my life because at first I was flat ironing my hair, and then I'll go in and curl it. But when I use this product, I don't have to flat iron it. So it saved me a lot of time. It's basically like a flat iron with combs. And I take really big sections, so I'm done with one section in like maybe like 3 minutes. Like, it goes so quick and I go so fast. So I'm just getting my comb here, and then I'm going to section like the bottom half and go through that. And if I was using a flat iron, I would have to use very small sections because I have thick hair. But when I use that Tymo thing, I can use bigger sections and I can go through my hair quicker. I am just using it in the front piece, and then I'm going to do it again in the back. And you see, I'm not even doing a good job. Like, if I wanted to do a good job, I could, but I hate doing my hair and it take a long time. So yeah, you see, like, that section is already done very quick. Now, if I was flat ironing, I would try to make it perfect. But with this thing, you don't have to make it perfect. Look how big that section is. That is a thick section. So I am just about to use this all over my head. Like I said, maybe for each side, it takes at the most 5 minutes. So this is my left side, I believe. Yes, my left side. So I'm going to be done with that fairly quick, and then I'm going to go to the right side and basically do the same thing. So I will be back after that. So this is a quick comparison. That left side is where I use the Tymo, and then the other side is just blow dried. Honestly, it don't look like a huge difference, but to me it's a small difference and it still counts. With my blow dry hair, I can still like just flat iron my hair and it will look the same if I put more time in it, but with that Tymo, it just cut down the time. I was just showing you all that I'm using my FHI HEAT flat irons. If you haven't saw my first hair video, you probably want to check that out. I think I left the link to those flat irons in the description, I believe. But yeah, this is the newest edition of my flat irons, because I have so many. Oh, actually it's not, because I just bought some flat irons the other day. Like, I'm obsessed with buying hair products. So yeah. Anyways, I'm about to go ahead and curl my hair. And I just put my hair up into a ponytail, and I always start at the back. I don't really know why. That's just what works for me. I'm putting my ponytail forward because, like I said, I'm about to start in the back. Usually when I have weave in, I like start on the side. So I don't really know why I do that. It just feels the most comfortable to me, I guess. But yeah, I'm just starting from the back, taking smaller sections. But I don't know why. I feel like this is with everybody. Like, the nape of your neck, that like hair piece is always like the shortest for some reason. I'm not sure if it like breaks off or what, but like that's usually always the shortest part of my hair. So I like tend to it with care, and I take like a small amount, and then I just flat iron that. So that's what I'm doing right here. And yeah, you're just gonna watch me flat iron my hair, and I always curl my hair like away from my face. Right now in the back you can't really tell that much, but on the side you will see what I'm talking about. So I will be back in a little bit. So right here, I'm just doing this side of my hair, and like I said, curling away. I kind of sped this up because it's kind of repetitive. I'm literally doing the same thing. So, yeah, just watch me curl my hair. I had a video like this already, so it's like I said, very repetitive. So if you don't know how to curl your hair by now, just keep rewinding this part, because it's literally the same thing. Like, you can do it, you can get it. Just practice and just take time until you get it. Like, you can do this. I believe in you. Oh, I forgot to mention, I am using the chase method. You go past your hair once with the comb, with the flat iron, and then I am curling it. Like I said, I got that method from just Instagram and watching professional hairstylists do that. Like, my hair looks like a rat's nest right now. But yeah, I'm just flipping this over and doing the other side. Anyways, what I was saying, I'm not sure, if the chase method actually works. I don't know. I just see professional hairstylists doing it, and I'm not a professional myself. So I'm still learning and taking tips from, those hairstylists. But yeah, I usually just go through it once with a comb, and then the next section, not the next section, after I go through it with the comb, and then I just go ahead and curl that. Same thing over and over. So one day I actually want to do a video about hair porosity, because that's very important as well with doing your hair. Like, I have low porosity hair. So as you can see, my hair is kind of like shiny already. Low porosity hair, actually, like, it takes a lot to get moisture inside, but it also don't take a lot of products for your hair to shine and look healthy. High porosity hair, if you have that, you will notice that your hair kind of soaks up any type of products you put in it. So you can probably put 3 products in your hair and your hair will be good. See, me, if I put 3 products in my hair, it will just sit on the top of my hair. It won't sink in. It won't, it won't do anything. I have to use heat for the hair to for the product to penetrate my hair. So I literally don't use anything in my hair but shampoo, conditioner, and then I just use that It's a 10 product. That's it. I remember a while ago, people used to always ask me, like, what I put in my hair. And, like, I always used to say nothing, because I literally don't. I just wash, blow dry, and flat iron. But yeah, right there, in this video, I use that It's a 10 product. But since I have low porosity hair, I don't need to do all of that. But I am no way saying that one porosity hair is better than the other. Like, I'm not saying like one porosity mean you got good hair and the other one you need bad hair. Like, no, that has nothing to do with the grade of your hair. It just basically tell you if you need products or not. Or how many products you need and what you need. Just pay attention to your hair, basically. I'm gonna do a whole video on that, so I'll get into that another time. But right here, I finished my hair. I'm just showing you how it looks. My camera died, so I had to come back later on that day. I have on a different shirt again. I kept changing my shirt throughout this video. I'm not sure why. But yeah, I kind of like my curls combed out. I don't like them to look very tight. Well, it depends on how I'm feeling that day. But yeah, I combed out my curls basically, and this is how my hair turned out. Very quick, very easy. I like the messy like bed head look. So I like the hair that looks like I just woke up. And to me, this is what my hair looks like right now in this clip. When I just got done flat ironing it, they were a little tighter, but I like to comb them out because I like them to look effortless. And yeah, I usually do a side part, or I can do a middle, you know, doesn't really matter. Depends on how I'm feeling that day. So I hope you all enjoy this video. I forget to say this, but if you could please subscribe, that'll make me so happy, and I can make more videos because I know that y'all are enjoying them. But like I said, oh, and like and comment. I don't think I said that, but that was all. Thank you all for watching. See you next time.